Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to use the Google Earth Pro Flight Simulator. First, open Google Chrome on your computer and search for Google Earth Pro. Then click on the first link that appears in the search results. Now click on Download Earth Pro on your desktop. After that, click on Accept and Download to start downloading the application. Next, choose the folder on your computer where you want to save the file and then click on Save. Now you'll see that it's installed. Wait for the installation to complete. Once it's installed, go back to your desktop and open Google Earth Pro. Here you can zoom in and check different locations around the globe. Next, click on Tools in the menu. Then click on Tables. After that, click on the path to start creating a path. Here, make sure to check the box that says Show Elevation Profile. You can enter a name, like a path measure, if you'd like to label it. Now go back to the Tools menu and click on Enter Flight Simulator. Here you can select your starting position for the flight. Finally, click on Start Flight to begin your experience with the flight simulator. If this video was helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribe to the channel. With that being said, I'll see you in the next video.